Hello, this is Andres Salgado on the Cisco booth here. We're at the huddle room, and we're gonna be talking about the Webex on Flip. In here, we have a Samsung Flip 2 and a RoomKit Mini, and a touch 10 panel for user control. And what we see here is a tight integration where we have the RoomKit Mini connecting to the Flip through HDMI and USB, and then it detects that it's a flipboard and configures itself to have a way to move between the flip whiteboard to the WebEx side. So over here, you see the default screen for the WebEx services. We'll have a way to make video calls, join a meeting, do whiteboard, share a screen, and regular flip services that you have with a flipboard. And for additional information, you can visit projectworkplace.cisco.com. And for this partnership, you can look into more details in cisco.com. Thank you.